Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aziz Syami bin Jamsawi. So today, me and group members, we are going to present about electrical home appliance and differentiate between parallel and series and show some work calculation and discuss the energy saving tips. So moving on to the introduction, we highlight the importance of electrical appliance in modern homes. Almost every home uses electrical appliance for convenience and efficiency. Appliances like fans, fridge, light and stove make daily life more easier. The impact is on the electricity bill. Significant portion of household electricity is consumed by this appliance. Next is power rating of electrical appliance. Definition of power rating is to indicate how much electrical energy an appliance use during the operation. By understanding usage pattern, the power rating, it can help student and homeowner understand the energy consumption. And then our objective of this group project is enhance knowledge to study how much electricity household use and then promote responsibility energy use. Lastly is support decision making, enable household to adopt energy saving and measure. This slide shows some common electrical appliances found in household, their power rating, typical location, and how they impact energy use. By understanding this, it can help us make informed decision about energy consumption and efficiency. So the first appliance is Samsung washing machine. This washing machine consumes about 120 watt and runs on 120. It is usually installed in laundry rooms or utility area. Relatively low power rating makes energy efficient for daily washing tasks. So next one is French door refrigerator. The refrigerator has a power rating of 160 watt and runs continuously on 115, keeping food fresh in the kitchen. Low energy consumption combined with modern design make it suitable for everyday use. So next one is Toshiba split air conditioner. This air conditioner consumes about 900 watt on a 220 supply. It can be installed in the living room or bedroom to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Despite its higher power, it is energy efficient considering its cooling capacity. So the next one is LG microwave oven. The microwave runs on 1150 watt and 230 AC. It is ideal for quick cooking, heating or defrost meals in the kitchen. Its high power allows it to work fast and efficiently, especially for busy household. So lastly is AO Smith water heater. This water heater consumes about 2000 watt on 230. Installed in the kitchen, provide hot water quickly for daily household needs. Its high power ensures rapid heating, making it very convenient for everyday use. In conclusion, by knowing this power rating and usage of this appliance, we can plan the energy efficient habits, reduce electricity costs, and contribute to environment sustainability.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Karim Merukip. I am from BTMI Station 2, Group 2. Today I will continue my friend presentation. I will talk about the difference between the serial connection and parallel connection. We'll jump to the definition of them. A simple definition about the serial parallel. For serial parallel is serial component electrical network whereby all the components positioned in a single end-to-end arrangement. For parallel connection is about wiring system parallel connection with two or more appliances. For the voltage, total voltage for serial parallel defined among components. By the way, for the serial parallel, each component get a full source of voltage. Alright, we talk about the energy efficiency for parallel. Energy efficiency for parallel is less flexible, voltage is split, maybe efficient if a component needs a full voltage. For parallel connection is more flexible. So the resistance, total resistance increase as more components are added. By the way, for the parallel connection is total resistance decrease as more branch is added. Like example for serial parallel like Christmas light or batteries in the flashlight. For parallel connections about household wiring TV or headlight. Alright, I will talk about effect of component failure. For serial parallel or series connection, If one component fail, the whole system, all the component will fail, and the circle will stop. By the way, for parallel connection, if one component fail, the other still can work. And for me, parallel connections more complexity than parallel connection because it's simple to design and understand. By the way, for the parallel connection, it's like more complex wiring but safer and more reliable. You can see that in the picture between of them, like more the series more easy to simple and design to understand. For parallel is a little bit difficult because so many wiring that, so it's more harder than series lah. Alright, that's for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi to my lecturer and my fellow friend. My name is Muhammad Shafiq Aiman. Today I will present to you how to calculate the electricity bill within 5 hours. Okay, firstly, what we should do is we should get the electricity within 1 hours. So the formula that we use is power times with the hours and divide with 1000. So from that, we can know the total within 1 hour that we use. For example, in our group, we choose air conditioner, microwave oven, and also refrigerator. The total electricity usage is 2.166 kilowatt hour. So after that, we time with 5 because we want to know in 5 hours usage electricity. So we get 10.83 kilowatt hour. After we get the kilowatt hour, so we time with 60 cents to we know how much we should spend for the electricity. So we get RM6.50 for the parallel connection. Okay, next we go to the series connection because we want to differentiation about the series and parallel connection. Okay, for the series connection, we must know the total resistance, the current of the circuit, and the total power. After that, we can calculate the energy use. Okay, for the series connection, we get the energy use within 5 hours is 0.47 kilowatt hour. So the cost that we should spend for the series connection is which is 28 cents for the series connection. So the calculation, the conclusion from the calculation is the series more low than the parallel connection because the series divide the voltage equally, but the parallel they spend to the all equipment the good energy. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hafiz Mirza bin Amir. Today I will be presenting about discussion which is energy saving tips. So firstly, saving electricity is important because it helps reduce monthly electricity bills and prevents unnecessary energy waste. When electricity is overused, the demand for power generation increases, and this mostly relies on non-renewable energy sources such as coal and natural gas. As a result, carbon emissions, pollution, and environment all damage increase. Therefore, saving electricity helps protect the environment, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and conserve energy resources for future generations. Okay, next, electricity usage can be reduced through several simple practices. For example, using energy efficient appliances such as LED bulbs, refrigerators, and air conditioners that can lower the electricity consumption while maintaining the performance. In addition, turning off appliances like lights, fans, and televisions when they are not in use helps prevent energy wastage. Lastly, for reducing the use of high power appliances and relying more on fans and natural ventilation can further contribute to energy savings and environment.